This tutorial explains how to draw only text in a base R plot and in a ggplot2 plot using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you two examples, and in the first example I will show you how to draw only text in a base R plot. And for this we first need to apply the par function, as you can see in line 2 of the code. And within the par function we need to specify the mar argument, and we need to set this argument to be a vector of 4 zeros. And this specifies that we are removing all the white space around the plot. So if you run this line of code, the par settings are updated. And then afterwards we can create an empty plot, as you can see in lines 4 to 10 of the code. So if you run these lines of code, a plot is created. However, as you can see, this plot is just showing a white window. And then in the next step we can use the text function, and within the text function we need to specify x and y axis locations that correspond to the x and y axis locations of our plot that we have created before. Then we need to specify a text label, and then we also need to specify the size of our text using the cex argument. So if you run lines 11 to 14 of the code, you can see at the bottom right of RStudio that our plot is updated, and now our empty plot is showing a text element without anything else. You can also see in this plot that our text is shown in different lines, and we have specified that within the text label of our plot by using this /n separator. So in this first example I have explained how to draw text to an empty plot using base R. However, it's also possible to create such a plot using the ggplot2 package, and this is what I want to show you in the second example, starting in line 16 of the code. So first of all we need to install and load the ggplot2 package, as you can see in lines 16 and 17. I have installed the package already, so for that reason I'm just going to load it with line 17 of the code. So after running this line of code we are able to use the functions of the ggplot2 package, such as ggplot, annotate and theme void. So in this case we are applying the ggplot function without any further specifications within the function. Then I'm adding to this the annotate function, and I'm specifying within the annotate function that I want to add text. At this point we also specify the size of the text and the text label. And then I'm also adding the theme void to this to specify that we don't want to show any plot elements such as axes or a grid behind our text. So if you run lines 19 to 25 of the code, you can see that our plot is updated at the bottom right, and this time we have created this text with the ggplot2 package. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.